Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to verify MoneyGram account. To fully access MoneyGram services after you open a new account, you may need to verify your identity. Firstly, log into your account and go to the Profile section. You need to upload a valid ID. Choose from passport, driver's license, or national ID, and follow the on-screen instructions to upload a clear photo of your ID. Some users may be asked to take a selfie to match with their ID, and then MoneyGram will review your documents, which may take a few minutes to 24 hours. Once approved, you will receive a confirmation email. Also, you can do in-person verification. Use the MoneyGram locator to find an agent near you and provide your government-issued ID and requested documents. The agent will verify you for details and update your account. Just note that verification is required for higher transaction limits and to comply with MoneyGram security policies. If your account is not verified, you may be unable to send and receive large transfers. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.